Hello, I'm Ashley from Major Choice, and today I am so excited to introduce our Pathfinding course designed to guide your student on their journey of self-discovery, equip them with essential life skills, and get them started on a career path that aligns deeply with who they are. We understand the incredible pressure many young adults face when determining the next steps in their education or career. This pressure can be even more profound for young adults with special needs, and that's why we created this course. Endorsed and offered by the New Hampshire Bureau of Vocational Rehabilitation, our program is thoughtfully designed to assist young people in making significant life decisions. Delivered online, our carefully crafted and engaging exercises turn what might seem like an overwhelming journey into an inspiring adventure. Each step is designed to empower your student, helping them turn challenges into opportunities as they build a path to their future. But what really sets Major Choice apart is the understanding, empathy, and personalized support that your student will receive from our professional mentors. Their personal mentor will engage with them throughout the program through live video chat, guiding your student and cheering them on every step of the way, like a personal coach and friend. Now, I know you might be a bit hesitant to enroll your child in an online course, especially if they've had mixed experiences with school-based online learning in the past. So before we dive in, let me assure you, our program is like no other virtual learning experience your child has encountered. There are no quizzes to cram for, no memorization, just personal assessments that actually matter. Our mentors aren't here to lecture. They're here to guide. They walk alongside your child, nurturing both their curiosity and confidence as they explore their passions and potentials. Our students overwhelmingly report that they love the program and often are even a bit disappointed when it's over. So with that said, let's get into what's in the course and how it works. The course includes 25 exercises and unfolds over 3 missions: self-exploration, career exploration, and outreach. In Mission 1, self-exploration, your student navigates a journey of self-discovery, resulting in the creation of their own personal career DNA. This unique 25-point career needs fingerprint is created through their discovering, and more importantly, understanding important things they need to know in order to make the right decision, such as their base preferences, strengths and challenges, core values, significant influencer, and life events, career environment needs, as well as the results of a career compatibility assessment for matching potential careers. With their career DNA in hand, they enter Mission 2, Career Exploration. Now in this mission, your student will discover and research careers that align with their career DNA. Using popular websites like Career One Stop, Indeed, and Monster.com, they'll perform keyword research, identify job demand and salaries to truly understand what each profession involves before moving on. We believe deeply in meeting every student where they're at today, so we'll also guide and encourage them to identify some potential entry-level jobs that could set them on the path to their dream career. Now, you can only learn so much about a career by reading about it. That's why Mission 3, Outreach, is so important. Now, this mission emphasizes the power of networking and professionalism and how creating connections and using the power of asking can lead them on a path to success and happiness in a career. Under the guidance of their mentor, your student will learn to interview professionals in their chosen career over Zoom to find out what it's really like. These exercises will give them incredibly valuable first-hand experience and demonstrate the importance and power of networking in an accessible and understandable way. After completing the course, students are guided to create a commitment letter outlining immediate steps toward their career path. As a last step, we have both the student and their parents/guardians and complete an alignment exercise to ensure everyone is on the same page and that the student fully understands how they will be supported as they make these life-changing decisions. Upon graduation, students receive a certificate and a letter of recommendation from our founders. This will attest to their dedication to finding their path and validate all the work they've done in writing. The entire course typically takes 8 to 10 weeks, depending on your student's pace and the availability of professionals for outreach. At Major Choice, we are committed to equipping your student with the understanding and skills they need to create a fulfilling work life with a clear sense of purpose. So I like to end by sharing with you what some of our past students and their parents had to say about their experience with Major Choice.
My name is Carol, and this is my daughter Elizabeth. Taking Major Choice and the impact that and the decision that she has made, the insight that it has given her has been tremendous.
Major Choice not only has helped me with figuring out what my future would look like, but also helping me with communication skills with other people.
It was amazing. It was amazing to see the transformation in her and begin this next journey. So we thank Major Choice, and we hope that it's as positive for everyone else who tries it.
Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Kristen Foster, and my oldest daughter just recently discovered Major Choice. She graduated high school in 2017, and like many young people, she has really struggled with knowing what she wants to be for the rest of her life. And it's hard to watch the weight of those decisions kind of settle so heavily on her shoulders. I don't know, it's good for a mom's heart to kind of see that stress level start to go down and try to see that transformation, that excitement for what's actually coming next. And for all of that, I cannot thank Major Choice more. The project is amazing. So thank you to Major Choice for all of it.
Hello, my name is Gracie, and I'm currently a sophomore in college, and I am lucky enough that I came across Major Choice when I did. My freshman year of college, I was really struggling with the major I was in. I was not happy. I just was lost. I didn't know what I wanted to do. But when I came across Major Choice, it really helped me figure out my interests and passions, not only about myself, but careers I'd be interested in. And my mentor, Brad, also really helped with that. He was with me through the whole process. He helped answer any questions or concerns I had. But Major Choice and Brad really helped me figure out what I wanted in life and in a career. So I'm very appreciative of both.
Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope this video gives you a better idea of what Major Choice is all about and the impact it can make on your student. Now, if you have any questions, we are always here to answer them. We are looking forward to moving forward on this journey with you and your student.